I'm back with another Tesla accessory. This time it's TSLAUCAY Real carbon fiber shift covers for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. Okay, so you can see here they're packaged really well, and these are real carbon fiber. You can tell from the back side here because you can see the fiber right there. They do have double-sided tape on the back, so you could actually secure these if you wanted to, but they just snap on. It's really only going to take us about 2 minutes to do the whole install. So you can see right there, they look really good. Really match the carbon fiber that I have on my spoiler, so it's going to look really good. They do come in gloss as well as glossy red. They kind of like just fit over, so they kind of snap into place. They do provide like some double-sided tape if you wanted to secure them, but really it's not necessary. But you can tell that it's real carbon fiber from the back. Again, these are the matte finish ones. They're just going to go with the rest of the matte finish that I have. They look just amazing, and they're super light. I'm not sure what these ones weigh. I think they're like 6 or 7 grams, but they are pretty solid, and they're just going to snap over top. So we're just going to snap them on. Again, they do have double-sided tape if you wanted to secure them better, but I don't think that it's really necessary. So let's go ahead and get into the install. It's really only going to take about 2 minutes to install these. Okay, so we're just going to install the first one here. So we're going to install the right one first. So what you're going to do is just place it over top, and then you're just going to click it into place. And that's the installation. It's pretty straightforward. Just snap that on. If you want, you can use the double-sided tape. It's not going to come off. Second one, so I'm not going to use the double-sided tape again, but you can see that's what it's going to look like with it on, and that's with it off. So we're just going to slide that in place, lock in the lip on the bottom, and just snap it into place. There we go. So that's the install. It's pretty straightforward. They look amazing. It's not going to come off. If I do have issues, I've got the double-sided tape that I can put back on. Okay, so that's what it looks like with it on right there on the right side. And if we go to the left side, that's what it looks like right there. So these look really sharp. Look at that. Carbon fiber just stands out. So those are pretty easy to install. I mean, basically you take them out of the box and you can just snap them on right away. If you want them a little bit more secure, you could just use some double-sided tape. I didn't need to. They're pretty secure. Yeah, they're really good. They look really awesome in the car. I just now need to get more carbon fiber stuff inside my car. So I'm looking forward to picking up some more stuff, and I'll do the reviews for those as I pick them up. If you found this install interesting, why don't you go over to this video right here where I installed the carbon fiber spoiler on the back of my Model 3. It's really easy to do. I've had it on for about a year now, and it's solid on there. It's not coming off. So you might find that interesting if you want to set your car apart from other cars on the road.